Hello everyone, today let's talk about Shift Oil Seal. This product made of rubber and metal and the color is red brown. The size is internal diameter is 57 and the external diameter is 124 and the sink is 12 and 24. This has with a spring. And this product has the following features: with long service life and more wear resistance, good brush resistance and high temperature resistance, oil leakage prevention and good structure, mud and water resistance. This product is applicable to FOTON heavy truck and mechanical engineering and equipment processing industry, transmission system of agricultural machinery and engineering machinery. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.